This question is taken from Element 1, 1.3, the legal framework for the regulation of health and safety, including sources and types of the law. Question requires you to identify: employers have a common law duty of care for the health, safety and welfare of their employees. Giving an example in each case, identify what an employer must provide in order to fulfill this common law duty of care. You have 8 minutes to answer this question. Your time starts now. In answering this question, identify what an employer must provide in order to fulfill this common law duty of care. Your answers should have considered the following. They must provide a safe place of work, good solid structure of buildings in good state of repair, with good condition of floors and stairs and stairwells. They must provide safe means of access and egress to and from the site and within the site, with such things such as pedestrian walkways, which are big enough for the number of pedestrians, traffic routes of an adequate size for the size and volume of the traffic, and all routes must be clear and unobstructed at all times. They must also provide a safe working environment, taking into account the space requirements for the workers, lighting levels, heating and ventilation levels to provide a comfortable work environment. They are also required to provide safe systems of work, such as standard operating procedures for plant and equipment, method statements for more complicated work activities, permit to work, which are to meet the higher standard of care due to the higher level of risk. All of these must be communicated throughout the workforce to ensure they understand the safe systems of work to be employed. They have a duty to provide safe plant and equipment, ensuring that it is the right equipment for the job. The equipment is properly maintained and in good working order. The equipment has all guarding and safety devices fitted. It is tested and certificated safe to use wherever it is applicable. In providing safe plant and equipment, they must provide competent fellow workers to use the plant and equipment and processes and systems of work, and this can be achieved through selecting the right people at interview, providing sufficient information in induction training programs, and maintaining the employees' competence through ongoing training programs and refresher training. To ensure that all systems of work, plant and equipment are being used correctly, the employer must provide adequate levels of supervision, mentoring and monitoring of all work in progress. This duty of care is owed to every employee. Special consideration should be given to those who are vulnerable persons, who are more susceptible to injury or contamination or airborne products, such as pregnant ladies, young persons, and those with disabilities. This duty of care remains in force even when their employee is on loan to another employer.